Java Pro Tips. So, did you know that computers, like us, love to take shortcuts? One way they do this is through short circuit evaluation when handling Boolean expressions. In Java and many other programming languages, logical operators like and or combine conditions. Here's a quick refresher. So, with and, both conditions must be true for the entire expression to be true, and with or, just one condition needs to be true for the whole expression to be true. Let's see this in action. So, imagine you're trying to log into a secure system. You need to be logged in and have access to get in. If both conditions are met, great, you're in. But what if you're not logged in? Well, Java sees false and would stop right there. It would not even bother checking if you have access. And why is this? Well, remember with and, if one condition is false, that means the whole statement is false. Let's take a look at another example. Here we'll be checking if a customer qualifies for a discount. So they get a discount if they're a member or a senior. If someone is 19 and not a member, they're out of luck because neither condition is satisfied. But what if they buy a membership? Well, the first condition is now true, and so Java would stop checking further. Remember, with or, once one condition is true, the entire expression is true. And why does this even matter? Well, short circuit evaluation is not just smart, but it's efficient. By skipping unnecessary checks, it improves your code's performance. Try experimenting with this concept at CodePad.app, our modern online coding platform.